In this video, I want to show you how to import video clip into Adobe Premiere. So I have my video clip, I shot it on my iPhone and it is in my Google Drive. So now I could come up and come File and I could do the whole import thing. But the best way to do this is to come on into my media browser. And I click on my media browser and I can see that I can have all this different information on my hard drive. So I'm going to come from here, I'm going to click on to my Google Drive and it's in my Darn Stitch folder, and I'm going to come to Crochet 1 and there I have it. Now I can see that I have this image up in here, and the next piece that I want to do is I want to actually import it. So even though it is right in here and I can come on in and I can look and I can see, you can even hear the volume of what's going on in here. I can see it up in here. I want to import it. It's not yet in my timeline. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to make sure this is imported. So I'm going to find it one more time in my media browser, the file, and I'm going to do a right click or a control click. I'm going to hit import. Okay, so now I have it imported. And now the last thing I want to do is I'm going to drop the media to the timeline. So once it's imported, now I can drop it all in. So I'm going to click onto this, I'm going to drag, and I'm going to drop, and I have officially brought my media to my timeline. Okay, so what we can see is that as we're looking at this, we're looking at the media browser and seeing these different files, this really makes a lot of sense, especially when we have multiple clips that we're bringing together. So that's how we go about importing different kinds of video footage to Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks so much.